In today's video, we are looking at top 9 fruits to eat to cleanse or detox your kidneys. The kidneys perform a multitude of essential functions within the body, from controlling your blood pressure to keeping your bones strong and healthy. Located under the rib cage, your kidneys are responsible for removing waste from the body. By eating plenty of fruit and vegetables and staying adequately hydrated, your kidneys can be self-cleansing. The right diet and regular exercise can help you avoid kidney problems in the future. Number 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is a low-potassium food option that helps lower blood pressure, which is a common complication of severe kidney disease. Contains bromelain, a digestive enzyme that helps dissolve kidney stones in the body. High in fiber and supports heart health. Heart complications are common in people undergoing dialysis. Good source of vitamin C boost, which helps boost the immune system. Number 2. Citrus fruits. The more vitamin C in your diet, the better for your kidneys. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits contain vitamin C in abundance. Consuming diluted lemon juice daily may help decrease the risk of kidney stone formation. Number 3. Apples. Apples are an excellent source of fiber. The fiber in apples is exceptional at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, lessening the load on the kidneys. Apples also reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a mild diuretic. It hydrates and cleanses the kidneys. It is also rich in lycopene, which improves cardiovascular health and ensures well-functioning kidneys. Watermelon also has large quantities of potassium salts, which regulate the acidity of urine and prevent stone formation. Eating watermelon regularly is great for kidney health. Number 5. Cranberries. Cranberries can also reduce your risk of urinary tract infections. When you eat a cranberry, or when you drink cranberry juice, they often have a kind of a gritty feel. These resins in the cranberries help to bind to bacteria and keep the bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract or your bladder. Another important benefit of cranberries, as it pertains to kidney health, is that cranberries can help to reduce your risk for kidney stones, and decrease the amount of calcium and oxalate in your urine. Number 6. Dates. When dates are soaked in water for 24 hours and then consumed after the seeds are removed, they are effective in dissolving and flushing out kidney stones. Dates are rich in fiber, helping to reduce the risk of kidney stones. The magnesium ingredient in dates also cleanses the kidneys. If you're getting value, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Number 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate contain large amounts of potassium and therefore are effective in removing kidney stones. Potassium lowers the acidity of urine, prevents stone formation because of its astringent properties, curtails the crystallization of minerals, and flushes out toxins and waste from the kidneys. Number 8. Lemon and lemon juice. Lemon and lemon juice is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, hence discouraging the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. Daily intake of diluted lemon juice reduces the rate of kidney stone formation and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which is the most common constituent of kidney stones. For people with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures smooth passage of the stones. Number 9. Blueberries. They are loaded with antioxidants, and blueberries help to reduce oxidative stress and decrease inflammation in your kidneys, which can help your kidneys to filter better. Blueberries are also good for helping to lower blood pressure naturally, and we know that high blood or hypertension is a leading cause of kidney disease. The other little known fact about these delicious little sweet treats is that blueberries can help to reduce your risk for urinary tract infections and bladder infections. The resins in blueberries also help to keep bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other nutrients can help promote kidney health. If you have kidney disease, a variety of fruits can be beneficial to include in your diet as long as they don't contain excessive amounts of potassium and phosphorus. That is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. And also drop your thoughts in the comments. To learn more about which healthy food you should eat every day to live healthy, click the video on your screen.